हाल ही में जारी हुई वैराइटीज ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी V-Dem रिपोर्ट में इंडिया को बदतरीन ऑटोक्रेसीज में से एक करार दिया गया। रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक भारत सन 2018 ही में इलेक्टोरल ऑटोक्रेसी की तरफ गिर चुका है और 2023 में भी बदतर स्कोर्स के साथ वहीं रहा।
The idea that India is a democracy, this is a lie. There's no democracy in India today. The idea that India is the world's largest democracy, it's a lie. It's a complete lie.
इस सिलसिले में AIDSO के जिम्मेदार VN राजशेखर और साबिक RSS लीडर सुधीर कुमार मुरली ने कहा कि इंडिया की जमहूरियत खतरे में है। चुनाचे नरेंद्र मोदी की क़ियादत वाली BJP हुकूमत डिविसिव पॉलिटिक्स में मसरूफ है, तमाम डेमोक्रेटिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस पर कंट्रोल कर रही है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसियों का गलत इस्तेमाल कर रही है और इक़्तिदार पर दोबारा कब्जा हासिल करने के लिए जमहूरियत पर बुलडोजर चला रही है।
It is a fact. Actually, whichever party comes to power today in India, nobody will respect democracy. The democratic institutions, whether it is the parliament, the legislature, or the courts, the bureaucracy, all these organs which are supposed to be neutral, long back their neutrality is gone. They are all working in favor of the party in power. Very, very unfortunate. And party in power is being using all these things. And particularly the BJP today, the whole ideology, their philosophy itself of this party is not for democratic functioning. Most undemocratic communal party it is. What they want is to divide not only the people, they want to divide the country into pieces. The people on the basis of religion, caste, language, region, they want to divide the people for their petty political interests. So, all the democratic institutions have been virtually bulldozed by the party in power. So, this more so is happening now in the present BJP.
Whether we need any proof for that, our Prime Minister, of course, not accountable to the public, not accountable to the Parliament, and he is not accountable to the media persons. Whereas Manmohan Singh addressed more than 100 press meets, in his tenure. Why Modi is apprehended to address the media people? That means it is the behavior of dictatorial leadership. He may be the Prime Minister of majoritarian government. He is not the Prime Minister of democratic state. So their policy, their agenda, their ideology is against the principle of spirit of Indian Constitution. So Indian democracy is under danger. If democracy is under danger, that means every citizen is under threat and danger.
इस संगीन मामले के हल के सिलसिले में बात करते हुए VN राजशेखर ने आवाम से अपील की कि सड़कों पर अवामी तहरीक चलाई जाए और कांग्रेस के सीनियर लीडर UT खादर ने कहा कि लोगों का एक नुकाती एजेंडा, 1 पॉइंट एजेंडा ये होना चाहिए कि फैसिस्ट BJP को इक़्तिदार से बाहर किया जाए।
It is the people. We have to come together. We have to come to the streets. Only in the streets of India, the democracy will be safeguarded. That's what it has been proved by the farmers' agitation in Delhi or various working class struggles what is going on throughout the world, country and the world. This is what is being proved again and again.
Everything is directed by the RSS fascist ideology. If they don't run according to the fascist ideology, tomorrow their ministers will be removed. So background, every control is RSS and fascist ideology running the state. For that, it's a primary duty of minorities, backward and Dalits and all civil society. When the time of election comes, instead of discussing small issues, 1 point program, keep away fascists from the power. That should be our issue, and everyone should be united in every constituencies.